Yes, welcome, my people. So, my loyal viewers and subscribers. So, as you have heard, you know that there's all kind of things that have been going on since Barack Obama unleashed his LGBTQ plus agenda on the American people, and it's coming from Europe. As usual, let's say Europe is the capital of all things evil, because every war always start from Europe, slavery, genocide, all of those things start from Europe. So here's a black man. No, here's a black man. Say that he's white. He's a white lesbian, but the black guy who is gay or transgender do not want to accept the black man as being white. So I want you to listen to this, because it's one of those things. 2022.
You
Yes,
are
you
the
are.
stupidest
You
human I have
are
met.
okay.
Okay?
So I will.
You're a human. I'm a human.
And I will
You
tell
will love no one. So what's your cause? What's your cause?
Well, first, what's your position?
I'm gay.
I am too.
What is this? Why does it say one man and one woman?
I'm the happiest man in the world.
Why does your sign say one man and one
I'm
woman?
100% gay.
Why does your sign say one man and one woman?
Because this is the right, natural way.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
Why are you
I think
having...
words don't mean
Turn
anything
around.
today.
Turn around. Marriage always one man and one woman. So you're saying that gay people can't get married?
I don't believe in special rights.
But you're black.
And
How could a black person be a bigot in this country?
Well, I'm not black. I'm a white lesbian.
Okay.
Yeah.
Really?
I mean, a boy could be a girl. Really?
No, you're making a mockery.
No,
So
you're making a
no.
mockery, sir.
So why do you believe then that what about before civil rights and that black people had to
What was
drink
it?
at different fountains?
I know. Was that wrong?
Yeah.
It was legal.
No, you got your civil rights, which is wonderful.
No, wait. It was
I'm
legal.
I'm not a racist in any shape or form.
I'm not a racist either.
Well, you're a black bigot.
No. I'm a white lesbian.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Address me as a white lesbian.
Oh.
I'm not black. A boy could be a girl, and a girl could be a boy. So if I want, I'm not black. So
Well-
if you talk to me, you address me as a white lesbian.
Okay, white lesbian.
Okay, now we can talk.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, I have never seen a white lesbian that's obviously a black man that's a bigot.
Oh, I never seen a man that is gay based on science.
I was born gay and
No,
I'm proud to be gay.
what? So when the doctor said, "Congratulations, Mr. Johnson, you have a 5-pound, 6-ounce, what? Gay man? Gay male?" No, because you're not born a behavior.
I'm born who I am and you were born black.
Look, see, I told you I'm a white lesbian, and you won't acknowledge me as a white lesbian, but
Because
you
you're
want me, so you're not gay.
You're making a mockery.
No, you're making a mockery.
No.
And it's this artificially intelligence. The same thing is laws that are based on hypocrisy and bigotry. Nazi Germany.
You're the bigot.
No, you are.
No, sir,
You're
you are.
You're special. You've changed the definition of marriage. Only your people can do that. Only your people. Only gay people can change the definition of marriage. Are they equal or special?
Are you special?
No, I'm equal. All human beings should be treated equally, not specially.
Sir,
So,
you're ridiculous.
no, you don't have no
That's
sense.
my opinion.
No, you have a right to your own
Okay,
opinion.
well, you enjoy
So,
your white lesbian day,
thank
black
you,
man.
Thank you, and you enjoy your
Okay?
gay lifestyle.
And you hold your sign and,
I
make
will-
a fool of yourself.
And we will stop this nonsense. It will get overturned.
You are the nonsense.
It will get overturned because you guys believe in the law. So when we overturn it, you will accept it, right?
How is a black man? How could you be
How
such a
can a
bigot?
white lesbian?
No, you're
I-
the first black bigot
so
I've met.
you the first? So you're telling me a boy could be a girl? Is that stupidity?
You're stupid.
Can a girl be a boy?
Sir, you're the stupidest man I've met, and I don't care what color you are.
I will love you and tell you the truth.
I am not
I will
racist.
not lie to- Yes,
you are the stupidest human I have met.
Okay.
Okay?
So I will
You're
love
a human.
you.
I'm a human.
and I will
You
tell you
will
the
love
truth.
no one.
I will love you and tell you the truth. I won't lie to you.
You're a hate
People that are
spreader.
afraid of you lie to you.
No, you spread hate.
There is no gay gene. What's the name of the gay gene? ABC? What's the name of the gay gene?
What's the name of the stupid gene?
It's called Johnny.
No, it's called whatever your name is.
It's called
Congratulations.
White lesbian. Well,
you have shown me America is really fucked up.
No, we're going to change things. So
no, you have a good day.
You
are the stupidest human I have met.
Okay.
Okay?
So I will.
You're a human.
So now that you have listened to the Blackman, who's a white lesbian, in which
So what's your cause?
the transgender, the gay guy who supposedly black is telling the white lesbian that he's not white. But how is that? Because if they're saying that a boy can be a boy can be a girl, and a girl can be a boy or whatever. So they can, that's wrong for him to, attack the white lesbian, You understand? Because if up is down and down is up, you just work with it, you understand? So um, you know, so I wanted to listen to this, remember what Dave Chappelle and Gino Jennings says that anything that the white man want, the white man can get. This has nothing, LGBTQ plus has nothing to do with black people. So they're just injecting themselves into something that has nothing to do with them. But they don't even care about black people. Because black people is still at the bottom. But listen to this one now.
A bill that's caused a lot of controversy and put South Dakota in the national spotlight with LGBT advocates will not become law. Governor Dennis Dugard vetoed House Bill 1008, which would have required public school students to use bathrooms that match their gender assigned at birth. Sydney Kern has reaction from Pierre.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Policy Director with ACLU, Libby Screen, says the governor's decision is positive for the state.
This sends a really strong message to everyone in South Dakota that discrimination is not tolerated in our state.
But not everyone is sharing the same feeling.
It's disappointing.
Representative Fred Deutsch, who sponsored House Bill 1008, says the proposal was intended to be non-discriminatory and provide privacy for all public school students.
That's why I had this section in there on special accommodation. I could have just not included that. I could have just said boys in the boys' rooms, girls in the girls', period.
And now Representative Deutsch talked to the governor right before he made his decision, and he says one of the reasons for that veto was liability issues, which Screen says is a valid decision.
Without a doubt, had this become law, there would have been lawsuits, there would have been administrative complaints. The law is clear, right? This bill would have put state law at odds with federal law.
ACLU and many transgender students met with Governor Dugard last week, and Screen says whether or not that helped his decision, she's excited about the outcome.
It just shows leadership, and I really hope that legislators across the country look to Governor Dugard and the great decision he made today and his thoughtful process, and I hope that they will follow suit.
Representative Deutsch says he will not ask for a veto override, saying it
understand
wouldn't
what I'm
have
saying.
enough votes in the Senate. As for next year,
This is
he
one of the
says he
reasons why the
doesn't know if
people
he'll
in
bring up the issue.
Africa, Asia, and all those places say that Americans are the craziest people in the world, and Europeans. There are a lot of people, especially in Africa and the Muslim world. They don't care about the trend, the lifestyle, and the hypeness, and the gadgets, and the latest. All they care about is normalcy. And to them, they keep echoing like, you people, you're all crazy people here in America, because up is down and down is up. So you cannot talk to me and stuff like that. Because you people have even corrupted all the educational institution. So instead of you guys moving forward, you guys moving backward. And it's a form of terrorism that you're inflicting on your own people. You understand? You have to understand, as the white lesbian says that he's just being truthful to the gay guy. That's if he's going to. You have to understand, truth is what the government says. So whether or not you want to believe it, everywhere in the world, people are being brainwashed and oppressed. Thanks for watching the listening to the Jamaica Young Police channel. Remember to like, share the video, and most of all, comment. What do you think about this movement? Yeah, this new human rights thing that they have going on in the world. You know, if you believe in God, or if you believe in the rules of laws, nature, or science, because you cannot choose science when it's convenient. Science has to be consistent. You understand? Have one blessed day. One love.